What's up, tartlets? Happy New Year. I have to say 2018 was the fastest year of my life. I don't know if it was because of Brody, but this year just flew. But I'm really looking forward to 2019. I'm gonna really focus on my health and well-being this year. That is my one goal. I don't know what that means yet, but I'm gonna focus on feeling good and healthy. Alright, so the look we're going to be creating today is great for a last minute New Year's Eve party, or if you have plans and you need a look, I don't know. But I'm going to show you guys how to create a really fun shimmery smoky eye. I used to party really hard on New Year's Eve. I would come home at like 5 a.m. I just had such a good time with all my friends. Now it's a little different. I like to stay on the couch, kind of chill, sleeping by 10:30, 11. If I get crazy, we'll see. But yeah, so those are my plans tonight. What are you guys doing for New Year's Eve tonight? Let me know in the comment section below. I want to know what people are doing. I want to live vicariously through you, so please let me know. All right, let's get started. All right, we're gonna kick it off with complexion first. I'm gonna be using our Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation in the shade Porcelain. I'm gonna just put it all over. I love this. It has this awesome doe foot applicator. I'm also really dry and the heat is on in my house and it's just like killing all of us. Waking up with just dry throats, our skin's just tight, and I've got the humidifiers on blast, but it doesn't matter. So I need that extra hydration, and this has hyaluronic acid in it, which can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So it has intense hydration. Need my cat ears on right now. Okay. All right, now it's time to conceal, highlight, and brighten with our Shape Tape Contour Concealer. I'm using the fair shade, and I'm just putting it all over, literally like all over, under the eye, forehead right here, nose, chin, right around here. I get really red, and I gotta cover the old birthmark right there. Okay. All right, now I'm going to set all of this with our Shape Tape setting powder, and I'm using the translucent shade. I actually really like this. I don't typically use setting powder because I'm really dry, but this one doesn't actually dry me out. It just like locks my makeup down so it does not move, does not budge, and that's what I'll need right now. I just want to lock it all into place. This brush also feels so nice. So nice. All right, now we're gonna move right into contour. I'm gonna be using our Tardis Pro Glow To Go Highlighting Contour Palette. I love this contour shade. It's just perfect for my skin tone, so I'm obsessed with it. I feel like it looks very natural. It's really nice, so let's kick that into high gear and just start carving out some cheekbones. All right, now I'm taking a little bit of this highlighter shade Burst right here in the center, and I like to apply it right to the tip of my nose to give it like a little sloped appearance. All right, now moving on to our brand new Tardis Pro Glow and Blush. Look how pretty this is. Ooh, stunning. I like to mix some shades in here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix these 3 blush shades. Actually, I'm just gonna go for it. Mix and match all 3, why not? All right, now it's time to move on to our Tardis Pro palette. I'm gonna be using this palette to do my eyes and my brows. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the brow. I'm gonna be using the shade Smoked right here. Sorry, my palette is like a mess because I use it all the time. I'm using the shade Smoked right here, and I'm gonna apply that to my brows, just help fill them in and give them a nice shape. All right, now taking the same palette, we're gonna go right into the shade Punk right here. It's that nice matte black color. And we're gonna apply that all over our lid and up into our crease. But we're not gonna go too high into the crease because we wanna control this, so we're just gonna bring it right softly in there. I recommend actually starting with the crease and then working your way down. Now I'm going to take the shade Speedboat from our Mermaid Shine Metallic Sea Glass eyeshadow set. This was an awesome holiday set. These are like liquid shimmers and they're so nice, they're so cool, and they're so easy to use. We're going to apply this baby all over our lid and up into the crease. Now I'm just going to take a shadow brush just to help control it so it doesn't go over the crease and just softly blend it up. Now taking a pencil brush, we're going to pick up that same shade and we're just going to softly bring it along our lower lash line. Alright, now it's time to line our waterline. I'm going to be using the pencil end of our Tardis Double Take Eyeliner. I love this eyeliner so much because it's got a liquid pen on one end and a pencil on the other, and the formula is just incredible. It doesn't budge, it doesn't move, it stays put. So we're going to line our waterline right now. Now it's time for lashes. I'm going to be using our brand new Tardis Pro cruelty-free lashes in the style Lights Camera Lashes. And now I'm just going to top my lashes off with a couple of coats of our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. Alright, now it's time for a lip. So I'm going to be using our Lip Sculptor lipstick and lip gloss in the shade Treat. I'm actually just going to use the lip gloss in tonight. I'm just doing gloss. Alright guys, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this quick New Year's Eve tutorial. Let me know again in the comment section below what you're up to tonight. I want to know. I love you all and I wish you the most amazing New Year's ever. And I hope that 2019 brings you so much health, happiness, and love. Alright guys, until next time, mwah! Take care, tartlets, and I'll see you next year. Sorry, I had to.